Hey everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to discuss another LeetCode problem statement, that is maximum subarray. This is LeetCode 53 of medium category. So here you have given integer array and you just have to find the largest sum. So in this example you can see the output which we are getting is 6. Why? Because if you will sum these four elements, right, you will get maximum sum, that is 6. So whenever you get this kind of problem statement where you have to figure it out the maximum subarray in a contiguous array, then we will be using an algorithm called Kadane's algorithm. Now, using this algorithm, the time complexity will be linear, that is O of n, and the space complexity will be constant, that will be big O of 1. Okay, now let me quickly jump to the board and we'll discuss this approach in details. As we have discussed, we are going to solve this problem statement using algorithm called Kadane's algorithm, and using this algorithm the time complexity will be big O of n and space complexity will be O of 1. Now in order to solve this problem statement you need two variable. The first variable will say, let's say, current sum, and the another variable we will have, that is total sum. So now let's say the given array is -2, 1, -3, 4, -1, 2, 1, -5 and 4. Okay, the index will start from 0 and it will go up to the length, that will be 7 and 8. Okay, now the first element whatever we have, right, that we will take it as it is, so it will be -2 and -2. Now iteration will start from index 1 and it will go up to the length -1, that is 8. Once you are here, what you have to do, current sum means either the maximum one, this element 1, this one is maximum, right? So either we have to take this 1 itself, or we have to take the sum of current sum and the current element, whichever is greater. So in this case, if we will do -2 plus 1, so you are getting -1, right? And the current element is 1. Which one is greater? 1 is greater, so we will take 1. Now we have to consider this 1 and -2, whichever is greater, that we will take. So in this case it will be 1. I plus plus. Current element is -3, and what will be the sum? That will be 1 minus 3, that will be -2. So which one is greater? -2 is greater, so we will take -2. Now we will check out of current sum and total sum which one is greater. Total sum itself is greater, so we will not update. I will increment I plus plus. Now the current element is 4, so we will do like -2 plus 4, that will be 2, and directly this 4 is greater, so we will take this 4, and similarly 1 and 4, whichever is greater, that we will take up. Now I plus plus. Here we have -1, and what will be the sum? It will be 3. So which one is greater? 3 is greater, so we will take up 3. Now 3 and 4, which one is greater? 4 is already greater, so we will not update the total sum. Again I will increment. Now here we have 2, okay, and here we have 3. If we will sum up, total we will get 5, and the current element is 2, so we will consider the maximum, that is 5. Similarly we will update the total sum as 5 is greater than 4. I plus plus. Now here what we will see, the sum will be 6 and the current element is 1, so we will consider 6 only. Here also we will just update the total sum. Now again I will increment here, so -5, 6 minus 5, that will be 1, and -5, which one is greater? 1 is greater, so we will just update the value 1. And here if we will compare 1 and 6, 6 is already greater, so we will not touch it. Again I will increment, and this is 4. Which one is greater, 4 or 4 plus 1, that is 5, so we will consider 5. And here already we have 6 which is greater than 5, so this will be our last final value, and that will be our output 6. So let me quickly jump to the LeetCode compiler and we'll write the code for the same. Okay, as we have discussed, we need two variables. The first variable will be current sum. This current sum will initialize with the first element, so we'll start with nums of 0. Similarly, you will have total, and this total will also initialize with the first variable, that will be 0 itself, nums of 0. Iteration will start from index 1 and it will go up to the length -1. Each time it will keep on incrementing. Now similar two line step. The first thing, you just have to calculate the current sum. So you just have to find the maximum, either the current element, it means nums of I, or the summation of current sum plus nums of I, whichever is greater, that we have to take. And for total, we just have to take either the total or current sum, whichever is greater. So in this case it will be total comma current sum. Okay, we are using math.max. Now at the end you just have to simply return the total sum, whatever value you have. So return total. So let me quickly execute this code and we'll see whether it's working properly or not. Okay, so all the 3 test cases passed successfully. Let me submit this solution. Okay, so all 210 test cases passed successfully, and this is the approach we have to follow in order to solve this problem statement. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your day.